Every great story begins somewhere, and in the world of cryptocurrencies, it all started with Bitcoin. In the year 2009, a mysterious entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto launched Bitcoin, a digital currency that would revolutionize the world of finance. Wrapped in anonymity, Nakamoto's identity remains one of the greatest mysteries of the internet era. But the legacy of their creation is undeniable. Bitcoin was designed to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, free from the control of any central authority. Nakamoto's vision was to create a currency that couldn't be manipulated, a currency that was immune to inflation, a currency that was for the people and by the people. It was a bold idea, a daring dream, and it was met with skepticism. But Bitcoin persevered, proving the doubters wrong time and time again. The years that followed saw Bitcoin grow from a fledgling concept into a global phenomenon. Its first major milestone came in May 2010, when a Bitcoin miner purchased 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. It was the first real-world transaction using Bitcoin, and it marked the beginning of a new era. Over the next decade, Bitcoin's acceptance grew exponentially. From small online retailers to multinational corporations, from tech enthusiasts to Wall Street investors, Bitcoin began to permeate every corner of the global economy. Its value soared, reaching unimaginable heights and sparking a frenzy of investment and speculation. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. Bitcoin faced its fair share of hurdles, from regulatory challenges to security breaches. Yet with each challenge, Bitcoin emerged stronger, more resilient, proving that it was not just a passing trend but a lasting revolution. From a mere concept to a global phenomenon, Bitcoin has truly reshaped the financial landscape. It has sparked a digital gold rush, given birth to an entire industry of cryptocurrencies, and challenged the traditional notions of what money can be. As we delve deeper into the story of Bitcoin, we'll explore the technology behind it, its impact on the world, and its potential to shape the future. So buckle up and let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Beneath the surface of Bitcoin lies a revolutionary technology, blockchain. Blockchain is the beating heart of Bitcoin, a digital decentralized ledger that records every transaction made. Picture it as a series of blocks, each holding a list of transactions. These blocks are chained together in a linear chronological order, hence the name blockchain. It's like a public ledger, viewable by anyone, yet incredibly secure. But how does it achieve this security? Through a process called cryptography, a fancy term for complex mathematical problems that computers solve to validate transactions. When a block of transactions is completed, it's sealed with a cryptographic signature. This signature, or hash, is unique to the block and its transactions, and any alteration within the block changes the hash, making tampering evident. Now, where does Bitcoin mining come into play? Miners are the backbone of the Bitcoin network. They use powerful computers to solve these complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the new block to the blockchain and is rewarded with a certain amount of Bitcoin. This process of mining not only creates new Bitcoins but also verifies transactions, contributing to the security of the network. This might sound like a lot of computational power is needed, and you're right. But here's the ingenious part. The Bitcoin protocol adjusts the difficulty of these problems based on the total computing power of the network to ensure that a new block is added approximately every 10 minutes. This keeps the system balanced and functional. So, the technology behind Bitcoin isn't just a digital ledger, it's a blend of cryptography, computational power, and a reward system, all working together to create a secure, transparent, and decentralized network. This isn't just about creating a new type of currency, it's about challenging the very concept of trust in financial transactions. Bitcoin's technology isn't just a digital ledger, it's a testament to the power of decentralization. As the pioneer, Bitcoin stands tall, but the crypto world is vast and varied, filled with promising altcoins. It's 2023, and the crypto landscape is a battlefield of digital currencies, each vying for supremacy. Yet, amidst this sea of altcoins, Bitcoin retains its position as the gold standard of cryptocurrencies. It's like the Mount Everest of digital assets, towering high above the rest, thanks to its first-mover advantage and widespread recognition. Let's take a moment to compare Bitcoin with some key altcoins. Ethereum, for instance, has made significant strides in terms of technological advancements. Its smart contracts and decentralized applications have opened up a world of possibilities. However, Bitcoin's simplicity and laser-focused purpose of being a decentralized digital currency give it a unique edge. It doesn't try to be a jack of all trades, it just does one thing, but does it exceptionally well. Then we have Ripple, which has found a niche in facilitating cross-border transactions. It's a brilliant use case, but Bitcoin's broader appeal as a universal digital currency and store of value keeps it a step ahead. Litecoin, often dubbed as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, offers faster transaction speeds and a higher maximum coin limit. But again, Bitcoin's robust security and higher liquidity make it more appealing to the mass market and investors alike. We can't ignore the rise of privacy-focused altcoins like Monero and Zcash. They offer a level of anonymity that Bitcoin doesn't. But Bitcoin's transparency is what makes it a trustworthy option for many. Moving on to Cardano, its proof-of-stake algorithm is indeed energy efficient, but Bitcoin's proof-of-work algorithm, despite its energy demands, has proven to be highly secure and resilient. Each of these altcoins has their unique selling points and use cases, but none has been able to dethrone Bitcoin. They are like the many moons orbiting the crypto planet, with Bitcoin being the sun that illuminates the whole system. While altcoins may offer diverse opportunities, Bitcoin remains the benchmark. Bitcoin isn't just a digital coin, it's a catalyst for economic change. Imagine a world where financial transactions are not bound by geographical borders, where the exchange of value is as simple as sending an email. That's the world Bitcoin is helping to create. Its influence on global finance cannot be overstated. It's redefining how we perceive and use money, bringing about a shift from traditional, centrally controlled systems to decentralized peer-to-peer networks. Bitcoin's very nature, being decentralized, transparent, and secure, has facilitated cross-border transactions like never before. It has made sending money across the globe as easy as a click of a button, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing transaction costs significantly. Unlike traditional banking systems, which can take days for international transfers, Bitcoin transactions are confirmed in minutes, irrespective of the location or the amount. But Bitcoin's impact isn't restricted to the financial sector alone. Its adoption is spreading across various industries. In the retail sector, more and more businesses are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment, offering customers a new level of convenience and flexibility. In the real estate market, properties are being bought and sold in Bitcoin, enabling seamless international transactions. Even in the energy sector, Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, is being used to create decentralized and efficient energy trading platforms. And let's not forget about the unbanked and underbanked populations of the world. For them, Bitcoin offers an opportunity to participate in the global economy, providing a financial system that is open and accessible to all, not just the privileged few. As we stand on the brink of this new economic era, it's clear that Bitcoin isn't just a passing trend. It's a movement towards financial inclusivity and freedom, a disruption of the status quo, a challenge to traditional power structures. Bitcoin is more than a cryptocurrency. It's a new economic paradigm. With great power comes great scrutiny, and Bitcoin is no stranger to the regulatory spotlight. The world stage has been buzzing with debates, discussions, and decisions that shape the regulatory landscape of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, a decentralized currency, operates without a central authority. This very characteristic has attracted regulatory attention worldwide. Governments are grappling with the challenge of balancing innovation and security, trying to fit a square peg in a round hole, so to speak. In recent times, we've seen a shifting tide. Some countries have embraced Bitcoin, recognizing its potential to revolutionize financial systems. They've developed progressive regulations, fostering a conducive environment for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to flourish. Take Japan, for instance. The land of the rising sun has legalized Bitcoin as a payment method, leading the way in crypto regulation. This move has encouraged innovation and growth within the crypto space, setting a precedent for other nations. However, the regulatory climate isn't as sunny everywhere. In some parts of the world, Bitcoin has been met with resistance. Fear of the unknown, coupled with concerns around security, has led to stringent regulations and, in some cases, outright bans. China, a key player in the global economy, has repeatedly cracked down on Bitcoin activities, citing concerns over financial risks. This regulatory dichotomy has significant implications. On the one hand, progressive regulations can propel Bitcoin's adoption, driving its value and influence. On the other hand, stringent regulations can stifle innovation, hampering Bitcoin's potential. But let's not forget, regulations aren't inherently negative. They can usher in stability, enhance security, and protect consumers. Yes, they may pose challenges, but they also reflect Bitcoin's growing significance. After all, you only regulate what matters. As we move forward, the regulatory landscape will continue to evolve. It's a dance between control and freedom, tradition and innovation. It's a journey full of twists and turns, and Bitcoin is in for the ride. Regulations may pose challenges, but they also signal Bitcoin's maturing presence in the financial world. Predicting the future is a tricky business, especially with something as dynamic as Bitcoin. In our quest to understand the future of Bitcoin, we delve into the realm of potential market disruptions and technological evolutions that could dramatically reshape the landscape of cryptocurrencies. The predictions we will discuss are not absolute, but instead are insights gathered from the brightest minds in the industry, offering a glimpse into what the future may hold. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, has always been at the forefront of technological evolution. As we move forward, there are whispers of quantum computing and its potential to disrupt the crypto space. Some experts believe that Bitcoin's blockchain could evolve to become quantum resistant, ensuring its security and longevity. The potential for market disruptions is equally fascinating. Bitcoin's inherently decentralized nature has often put it at odds with traditional financial institutions. However, the tide seems to be turning. We're seeing an increasing number of global banks and financial institutions embracing Bitcoin, signaling a potential shift in the financial paradigm. Moreover, the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi, could further cement Bitcoin's position in the market. By integrating Bitcoin with DeFi platforms, we could witness new financial services that transcend traditional boundaries, offering unprecedented access and financial freedom to people worldwide. There are also predictions around Bitcoin's price. While we won't delve into specific numbers, many experts believe in Bitcoin's long-term growth potential, citing factors like increasing adoption, limited supply, and its role as a hedge against inflation. However, it's essential to remember that the world of cryptocurrencies is fraught with volatility. While Bitcoin has shown remarkable resilience over the years, it's not immune to dramatic price swings. As such, anyone venturing into this space should be prepared for a rollercoaster ride. In the world of Bitcoin, we've seen it evolve from a niche technology to a global phenomenon. It sparked a revolution, challenging the status quo and inspiring a new generation of digital currencies. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. In the world of Bitcoin, the only certainty is change. Investing in Bitcoin is not for the faint-hearted. It's a roller coaster ride of challenges and opportunities. One of the most significant challenges Bitcoin investors face is the cryptocurrency's volatility. Bitcoin prices can skyrocket or plummet overnight, often driven by factors beyond an investor's control, such as regulatory changes, technological advancements, and market sentiment. This volatility can be nerve-wracking, especially for those new to the crypto world. However, it is important to understand that volatility is not unique to Bitcoin. Traditional financial markets have their share of turbulence too. Remember the stock market crash of 2008, or the recent global economic downturn caused by the pandemic. So while Bitcoin's volatility can be a challenge, it is a part of the investment landscape. Despite the risks, Bitcoin also offers long-term prospects that can be quite lucrative. Bitcoin has demonstrated a consistent upward trend since its inception, and many financial experts believe this trend will continue. While there will be ups and downs, the overall trajectory is expected to be positive, providing a potentially profitable opportunity for those with a long-term investment strategy. And then there are the opportunities Bitcoin presents. Bitcoin is a decentralized global currency, free from the control of any government or financial institution. It offers investors the chance to participate in a new kind of financial system, one that is open, transparent, and egalitarian. Bitcoin also presents opportunities for diversification. By adding Bitcoin to their portfolios, investors can spread their risk across different asset classes, potentially improving their overall return on investment. But remember, investing in Bitcoin, like any investment, requires strategy, patience, and resilience. It's essential to do your research, understand the risks, and be prepared for the market's ups and downs. And most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Investing in Bitcoin is a game of strategy, patience, and resilience. And for those who play the game well, the rewards can be substantial. As we look to the future, one thing becomes clear. Bitcoin could redefine the very essence of digital currencies. Bitcoin, the first of its kind, has already made a significant impact on the world. Its decentralized nature, transparent operations, and the power of blockchain technology have set a new standard for digital currencies. But let's take a moment to ponder. What if Bitcoin is just the beginning? What if it's the catalyst that sparks a broader digital revolution? In the past decade, Bitcoin has led to the birth of countless other cryptocurrencies, each trying to bring something new to the table. However, none have managed to reach the same level of acceptance and recognition. Bitcoin remains the gold standard in this digital gold rush. It is the yardstick against which all others are measured. But Bitcoin's potential goes beyond just being a trendsetter. It could help redefine how we perceive value and exchanges in the digital realm. Consider this. Bitcoin's blockchain technology could provide a secure, decentralized platform for a variety of applications. From secure voting systems to tamper-proof record-keeping, the possibilities are vast. Moreover, as Bitcoin continues to evolve, it could set new precedents for financial sovereignty and privacy. In a world where data breaches and financial crises are all too common, Bitcoin offers a glimmer of hope. Its decentralized nature means no single entity has control, providing a level of financial freedom not seen before. However, it's important to remember that Bitcoin is not without its challenges. Scalability issues, regulatory concerns, and volatility are all hurdles it needs to overcome. But with every challenge, Bitcoin seems to become more resilient, adapting and evolving in ways that only strengthen its potential. In conclusion, Bitcoin's potential to redefine digital currencies is not just about its value or technological advancements. It's about the transformative power it holds. It's about how it can change the way we view and interact with the digital world. Bitcoin's journey is far from over. It may just be the beginning of a new digital revolution. As we draw the curtain on our Bitcoin breakdown, one thing is clear. Bitcoin's future holds compelling revelations. This journey we've embarked on has taken us from the genesis of Bitcoin, through its technological underpinnings, to its economic impact, and finally, to the challenges and opportunities it presents for investors. Reflecting on the tumultuous showdown of 2023, we've seen how Bitcoin, against all odds, has held its own in a market teeming with potential rivals. With every altcoin promising innovation, Bitcoin's tenacity and resilience were put to the test, and yet it remained a dominant force in the global crypto arena. We journeyed into the heart of Bitcoin's technology, marveling at the complex yet elegant blockchain system that underpins it. The security features of this technology have not only paved the way for a global financial revolution, but also set the gold standard for all digital currencies that have followed in Bitcoin's wake. Our exploration of Bitcoin's economic impact revealed a digital currency that has transcended borders, challenged traditional financial systems, and is steadily being adopted by a global audience. The regulatory landscape, ever-changing and diverse, has struggled to keep pace with Bitcoin's rapid evolution, yet it remains a crucial aspect of its journey. We then delved into the future predictions for Bitcoin, a realm filled with uncertainties and endless possibilities. Potential market disruptions, technological evolutions, and the advent of quantum computing all point to a future where Bitcoin could either thrive or face unprecedented challenges. And finally, we looked at the world through the eyes of a Bitcoin investor, a world of volatility and high risk, but also of immense potential and long-term prospects. The Bitcoin journey is far from over. In fact, it's only just beginning. As Bitcoin continues to evolve, it will redefine what we know about digital currencies and shape the global financial landscape in ways we can't even imagine. Bitcoin's future may be uncertain, but its potential to disrupt and innovate is undeniable. As we venture into this brave new world, one thing is certain: Bitcoin is a journey, not a destination.